Hi guys, today I show you in this project the cracks in 4-inch thick slab. So look the cracks. The cracks will start at any corner or point. You can see started here, started there, and run to other point here. Here we have electrical floor box, and then went to that point. So here what happened, they should do shortcut using the machine in the same day when they poured concrete. Yesterday, look here, the crack starts from here to that drain pipe, that floor drain, go all the way to the diamond. Yeah. They should cut yesterday, but the machine not available on site. So they cut it today. Unfortunately, we got a lot of cracks. You can see the crack. Got stuck point. So they started to do shortcuts. Look, the crack starts from here. There's a delay with shortcut for control joint. That's what happened. Look here, from that floor, electrical floor box to the diamond, and then to the other diamond corner, to that extension joint and stop. Yeah, we should fix those cracks before we do flooring. So if it's tile, ceramic or carpet tile, we should fix those cracks. You can see that's 4-inch thick slab. We did the cure and seal immediately yesterday, and we started to do shortcut today. Thank you guys.